How to add FAQ section in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create FAQ page or section in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step because we're going to use app from Shopify App Store. So first you have to log into your Shopify admin dashboard and then you can navigate to the apps here on your left side. Then in the search box, you can search section and then you can click search section in Shopify App Store. After that, you will find a lot of options here, but what we are looking for is this one, section store. Click on it and you will see this app is very good app because they have a lot of reviews, good reviews and good ratings. So this is the best app we can use. They have a lot of features also and it's free to install. So you can just click install it. I have already installed it, so I can just click open and then you will be in this page. Now you can click explore all section here and then in the search box you can just search FAQ and click the free one and then you will find this one. You can click on it and this is the free one, so it's very simple, you can click demo and this is the demo. It's really good. I think it's enough for us. So we're gonna click get free section and it will add it to your section template and then you can just click add to theme and then choose your theme, your current theme, and it's successfully added. Now you can just go to your now you can just click customize in the theme editor and then choose your live theme. And this is my theme editor. So let's say I want to add the FAQ section in the bottom of my page. So I'm gonna click in this one, click add section, and then you can just search FAQ and you will find FAQ from section store. This one you can click on it and it's added to your page. Now you can customize it, you can change the colors, the color background and others. I think here you can also change the name of the heading and also the text here. You can customize it, you can modify it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.